Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing regions on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Switch, open the System Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the left sidebar menu and open System. Then tap on Region. Choose your region from the list and then tap Next. Tap Restart. Your Switch will now restart and be in the new region that you selected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.